Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to go? Enable location and mobile data, then open Google Maps and tap directions. Choose the transit icon to focus on buses, trains, or trams. Enter your start and your destination, then pick departure or arrival time. This controls which routes you see. Once done, glance at platform and transfer counts to avoid long walks. Make sure to set the correct date for future trips so schedules match. This gets you from 0 to a live transit plan fast. Now dig into the options. Compare estimated time, number of transfers, and walking distance. Google shows live delay indicators when available. Tap a route to reveal step-by-step stops, platform numbers, and accessibility notes so you know whether there's an elevator or stairs. Use the Layers menu and enable transit to view lines and nearby stations on the map. This helps you visualize transfers. Once you've chosen, save the route or start navigation. The map will update in real time as conditions change. Start navigation to receive turn-by-turn transit guidance and automatic boarding alerts. Your phone will notify you when to get off. Monitor live updates for delays or cancellations, and reroute when Google suggests alternatives. Make sure your volume and notifications are on so you don't miss stops. If something goes wrong, data drops or schedules don't match, try switching to an offline map for the region, restart the app, and verify location permissions. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.